Welcome to voice-based plant maintenance. Say username followed by the password.
Say again.
Welcome to voice-based plant maintenance. Say username followed by the password.
Demo. 1, 2, 3.
Enter plant number.
Say again.
Enter plant number.
1,
Select a machine.
2,
Enter hydraulic pressure.
4, 3.
Is the machine grounded properly?
Yes.
Are all electrical connections tight?
No.
Does the power supply have suitable fuses and protection?
No.
Is there any oil leaking in the machine?
No.
Is there any physical damage in the machine?
Yes.
Maintenance completed. Contact Globus Labs for voice-based supply chain management solutions for mobile devices.